if Lady Justice Lydia Mugambe gets a harsh sentence in the UK, it will mean that the Chief Justice of Uganda, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, the Attorney General of Uganda, you have not done enough to save her. That's what it will mean. For starters, Lady Justice Lydia Mugambe, a Ugandan judge who has been a student in United Kingdom, was recently arrested for offenses relating to modern slavery under the United Kingdom Modern Slavery Act of 2015. She had taken her house girl from Uganda to United Kingdom to look after her children, but did not pass through proper channels. Apparently, upon interrogation, it was established by authorities in the UK that the house girl was either not getting enough pay or she was getting no pay at all. So, the judge was arrested, she was prosecuted, she was convicted. She's now awaiting sentence. She's due for sentencing on the 2nd of May, 2025. So my point is, if the Chief Justice, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, the Attorney General don't help her, if we see a harsh sentence against her, then it will mean they have not helped her, because her sentence can go up to life imprisonment. Yeah, you're supposed to help your colleagues. Life imprisonment. So you help her. And they know what to do. The Chief Justice is very senior. The Attorney General is very senior. They know what to do. They need no lectures from someone like me, who is very junior to them. They know what to do. To ask for a lenient, to ask for leniency, a lenient sentence, a lighter, less severe sentence. They know what to do. They even know what to do. If it means asking for imprisonment, assuming the sentence is of imprisonment, they know what to do. If it means to bring her here in Uganda and she's imprisoned from Uganda near her family, they know what to do. They don't need any lecture from me. I am only reminding them, the Chief Justice, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, the Attorney General, that if Justice Lydia Mugambe is given a harsh sentence in the United Kingdom, it will mean that you have done nothing or so little to help her. For me, that's my point.